Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video. Pretty easy day today, just continuing off our conversation yesterday about seasons. I guess we'll do some housekeeping stuff before I get into it. Remember guys, November 18th is the last day to turn in missing work. It is a Wednesday. Today is the 5th. So you'll have, so you know how much time you have. Again, I'm not going to take any assignments on the 19th, so 18th is the last day. You can still get 70% on all missing work. So technically, you could go from a 0% to a 70% in one day. So you're never out of the ballgame, so keep working and getting those assignments in. All right. So today's assignment, guys, is just a reading section from the book here. It's Chapter 3, Section 2. Yesterday, we did the 3.1 note, so we're moving on today. And a lot of stuff's going to be what we looked at. So for today, here's the reading. This will be what you will use to answer the question. So just go through, read it, and then obviously don't worry about those questions because the questions you guys are going to answer are right here. All right. So again, when you do this on a Google Doc or if you print it off and use the hard copy, that's your call. But yeah, so you'll just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just kind of some terms. And then B, use the chart below to take notes on how these factors influence climate patterns over time. So then you'll use these two, and these will be more short answer questions. How does El Nino influence climate patterns? How does greenhouse gases, or how does the greenhouse effect play a role on climate patterns? So those two are pretty simple. Just more short answer. So it'll be like a sentence long, maybe more, depending on which one you're looking at. Part C then, map and graph skills. Use the map on page 55 of your textbook to answer the following questions. So for these two, we have to go back to the reading, right? We have to go to page 55. Here it is, right? And so we're going to use this right here, this chart with all the ocean currents and kind of some wind currents. And that is going to help us answer part C here. So again, these will be about a sentence or two long as well. So we got basically terms, definitions for the first 5. Just what are they? So just give me the term. Part B is how they affect climate patterns. These two, I guess pieces. The El Nino and then the greenhouse effect. How does that help? Or how does that affect climate patterns? And then this part right here, we just use that little graph, the wind current and the ocean current graph or chart or map, whatever you want to call it, to answer 1 and 2. And again, these will both be short answer styles. So do that in Google Docs, submit it, due tomorrow morning as always. And not quite sure if we're going to have to do a Google Meet tomorrow or not. So just check at your normal time. If there's a Google Meet link, just click on the Google Meet link. And I'll see you there. If I don't think we need to really discuss too much, or if it's going to be an easier assignment, it'll just be another directions video like this, where it's only going to take me a few moments to explain what's happening. But that's it, guys. Good luck working on this. And then obviously we'll be moving on to some extreme weather will be our next thing. So we're going to look at tornadoes and typhoons moving forward here. All right, guys, have a great day. If I don't see you in class today, I will see you either on Monday or Friday. Talk to you guys later.